Ever felt like you're drowning in paperwork? Juggling appointments, tracking sales, and then trying to reconcile everything in QuickBooks? It's enough to make any salon or spa owner want to scream. But what if I told you there's a way to streamline the whole process? Today, we're diving deep into the question, can I link my Vagaro to QuickBooks? And more importantly, how can this integration save your sanity and boost your bottom line? Pain points. Let's be real. Running a successful business in the beauty industry is no walk in the park. You're constantly on the go, juggling appointments, managing inventory, and providing top-notch service to your clients. And amidst all this, you also have the daunting task of keeping your finances in order. Manually entering sales data from your scheduling software into QuickBooks can be a nightmare. It's time-consuming, prone to errors, and frankly, a major drain on your productivity. You're left with less time to focus on what truly matters: growing your business and providing exceptional client experiences. Introducing the Solution Vagaro and QuickBooks integration. But fear not, fellow beauty entrepreneurs. There is a solution that can significantly simplify your life. Integrating your Vagaro scheduling software with QuickBooks. This powerful integration can automate many of your accounting tasks, saving you countless hours and reducing the risk of human error. Imagine a world where your sales data seamlessly flows from Vagaro to QuickBooks. No more manual entry, no more data discrepancies, and no more late nights spent wrestling with spreadsheets. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Benefits of integration detailed breakdown. Let's break down the key benefits of linking your Vagaro to QuickBooks. Automated sales entries. Say goodbye to tedious data entry. With integration, your sales data, including service details, discounts, and taxes, is automatically transferred to QuickBooks. This eliminates the risk of human error and ensures accurate financial records. Streamlined inventory management. If you sell products in your salon or spa, the integration can help you track your inventory levels in real time. This prevents stockouts and ensures you always have what you need to provide the best service to your clients. Improved cash flow. By automating your accounting processes, you gain better visibility into your cash flow. This allows you to make informed decisions about your business, such as investing in new equipment or expanding your services. Reduced accounting costs. By automating many of your accounting tasks, you can reduce the need for manual bookkeeping and potentially save on accounting fees. Increased efficiency. Imagine the time you'll save by automating your accounting processes. This frees you up to focus on more important tasks, such as building client relationships, marketing your business, and providing exceptional service. How to integrate Vagaro and QuickBooks step-by-step guide. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do I integrate Vagaro with QuickBooks? Check for compatibility. The first step is to ensure that your versions of Vagaro and QuickBooks are compatible with each other. Obtain API keys. You'll need to obtain API keys from both Vagaro and QuickBooks to establish the connection. Configure the integration. In your Vagaro account, navigate to the integration settings and select QuickBooks. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your accounts. Test the integration. Once the integration is set up, it's crucial to test it thoroughly to ensure that data is transferring correctly. Tips for successful integration. Regularly review data. Regularly review the data transferred between Vagaro and QuickBooks to ensure accuracy. Maintain up-to-date software. Keep both your Vagaro and QuickBooks software updated to ensure compatibility and access to the latest features. Seek support. If you encounter any issues during the integration process, don't hesitate to reach out to Vagaro or QuickBooks support for assistance. Addressing potential concerns. Security. Many businesses are concerned about the security of their financial data. Rest assured, both Vagaro and QuickBooks employ robust security measures to protect your information. Cost. While some integrations may have associated costs, the potential time and cost savings can significantly outweigh the initial investment. Integrating your Vagaro with QuickBooks can significantly streamline your accounting processes, saving you time, reducing errors, and improving your overall business efficiency. If you're ready to simplify your life and take your business to the next level, I encourage you to explore the Vagaro QuickBooks integration today. You won't regret it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.